My students are traveling the world through virtual tour with the Skype in the classroom. On Monday, my students had a virtual field trip to California state parks where students discovered the giant sequoia trees at Calaveras Big Trees. Students could experience the awe of the giant sequoia redwoods and how they have survived in their distinct habitat. Students also learned about the interdependent relationships in the forest, discovered how humans have impacted these giants over time, and how we can preserve them for our future generations. Ranger Jenny guided my students about the history of these magnificent trees through the lenses of conservation as well as their relationship to the mixed conifer forest they live in, ultimately discovering what makes these trees such a big deal.
Hello, my name is Prathamesh Vilas Kadlak. I am here for tell my feedback about yesterday's virtual trip with Skype in the classroom and Microsoft Education. Yesterday, we went to California State Park to discover the giant sequoia, which is the biggest tree on the earth by volume. We learned about sequoia redwoods and how they have survived in their distinct habits, and also learn about the interdependent relationship in the forest. We discover how humans have impacted these giants over time and how we can preserve them for future generations. The sequoia trees grow only in California in numerous isolated groves on the western slopes of the Sierra Nevada mountains. They can live up to 3,000 years. Thank you Ranger Jenny ma'am to give us information, and thank you Tube sir to give us opportunity to participate in the virtual trip. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Paras Pradeep Magdu. Mesmerizing the beautiful world, but lockdown shackle our dreams to explore world. But due to lockdown, learning and exploring world are not stopped. So Tube sir and Genia ma'am organized the virtual field trip to the Calaveras Big Tree Park in USA. This is very knowledgeable to us. We explore the world's biggest tree like Calaveras tree, conifer tree, redwood tree, etc. We also know the information about Calaveras Big Tree Park like the reason behind the thick and strong stem of the redwood tree. Redwood tree have a red color, therefore its name is redwood tree. Special and unique type of fruit of conifer tree to the protect seeds and rareness of these trees, history of this park, etc. I thanks to Genia ma'am to give us very knowledgeable information and solving our questions. I also thanks to Tube sir, Skype in the classroom and Microsoft Education. Thank you.